In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Photoshop 2025. Curving text has become an essential skill for creatives aiming to bring a dynamic and unique feel to their designs. So, whether you're working on a logo, a flyer, or just want to add a touch of whimsy to your project, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's open up Adobe Photoshop 2025. Once it's up and running, you'll want to navigate to the text tool located on the toolbar. It usually looks like a capital T, nice and easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be able to type your desired text right onto the canvas. Take your time here to choose the right font size and style that fits your design needs. Once you're satisfied with your text, simply click Done to set it in place. This action helps you finalize your text so you can move on to the next exciting phase of the process. Now, let's continue by pressing Ctrl and T at the same time. This is your shortcut for the Transform tool. The Transform tool essentially allows you to adjust and manipulate your text or any other image element as needed. But our focus is on adding some curve, so let's not get sidetracked. Once you're in Transform mode, direct your attention to the top toolbar and find the warp icon. It looks a bit like a semicircle, and clicking on it will open a drop-down menu of different warp options available for your text. To create that elegant curve, we'll be selecting the arc option from this menu. This option tends to be very versatile, offering an adjustable arch that can be guided to either subtle or dramatic effects based on your preference. Go ahead and play around with the arc by adjusting the bend setting. This will control how curved your text appears. You can experiment with both the horizontal and vertical settings to achieve the exact look you're aiming for, whether it's a gentle wave or a bold curve. The real beauty of Photoshop is in these customized settings, so don't hesitate to try different approaches. Finally, when you're happy with how the curved text looks, click on Done to apply these changes. Voila, you've successfully curved your text in Photoshop 2025, making that text element pop and stand out in your design. This technique opens up a whole new realm of creative possibilities, allowing your typography to take on organic, flowing shapes. Continue to explore and maybe try integrating curved text with other design elements to see how they complement each other in new and exciting ways. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!